forester. We farm up the Waipara River and the Waipara Gorge. And the main thing we got out of it today is sediment loss. We just have to contain it, stop it, and there's lots of ideas have come up today to how we can do that. And we'll be taking them home and putting them in plan.
I'm Sam Zeno and farm in Harden, and terrific day today looking around Lyndon Matthews, and I think the takeaway message for me is probably more around fencing and fencing smart, and what you might do in that space to minimise contact with waterways.
Scott Hess was my name. I farm down the Waikari Valley. Today I learned quite a lot about what are wallows and what are waterways and how we should be managing them. And again, I'll be sort of going home and looking pretty seriously at our wetland areas and how we might be able to manage them a little bit differently than what we do at the moment.
My name's Pete Crane and I just farm out of Harden. Member of the Advance Party, and taken out of the field day to day, we have our hinds on fireweed in the winter time. So my positioning of the paddock, which paddock I'd choose for that, a bit more information about that today, and just that good practice to feed them, from the top of the hill down rather than coming out from the bottom. It's all hill country. So my runoff, got to be a bit more conscious of where I'm putting my green feeds and how I'm feeding them. Yep. So good information about that and useful to keep in the front of your mind rather than the back, you might say.
Richard Murchison, I farm in the Weka Pass. We farm 770 hectares, of which we have 85 hectares deer fenced, and we run around 300 to 400 weaners for finishing. Today's been really good with regard to looking at wetland areas, in particular for me. And I think that we'll be fencing off quite a substantial area to mitigate some of the phosphorus and sediment issues that we face in the area.